Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video, we'll be discussing what is quartile. Actually, we'll be discussing what is quartile deviation. But to know what is exactly quartile deviation, we have to know what are the various quartiles we have. Okay. So without much further ado, let's move on to topic. So before moving to topic, a little shout out. I have introduced two sets of question bank set university based important questions. This question set in HRM, okay, not statistics. This is related to HRM, and this university questions will definitely help you to clear any HR exams based on any universities in India. And also it is very affordable. Link is given in the description box. Also another set is there which will be helpful for those people who are trying to clear any competitive exams related to HR. It can be even UGC net or any other competitive net. That multiple choice questions comes with answers, and that is also very affordable. Link is also given in the description box. Even discount code is there, which you please utilize it if you are trying to buy it. So you can give it a try. Thank you. Just a simple shout out. So let's move on to today's video. Now here I have given a basic definition of what is quartiles. So just read through it. They divide the data into four equal parts and each portion contains equal number of observations. And I have given some percentage. Now don't get confused with all this data. Just understand that quartile means it divides the data into quarters. Okay. Now don't confuse with quarters and quartile. See, when you're cutting a cake, you're cutting the whole slice, right? And the whole slice is quarter. We say that 1 by 4th quarter of a cake means we are cutting that much portion, the whole piece, the whole slice. But here quarter means that border, the value where you are cutting the cake. Okay. So quartile simply, very simply means that you're dividing the data into quarters. Okay, so you have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and all that. Now what is Q1? That is first quartile. First quartile means lowest 25% of number. Now second quartile is next lowest 25% of number up to median. Okay, second highest, third quartile means second highest 25% of number, that is which is above median. And the last quartile Q4 is highest 25% of number. So in any data before this, you have to know what is median. Median means in a given set of data the mid value. Okay, if you haven't checked my median videos, you please check that. I'll provide the link in the description as well as in the iCard, so it will be helpful for you to understand what is median, what I'm talking about. So median means mid value of the data. Okay, so whenever any question is given related to quartile and you are asked to find quartiles, what you have to do is that first try to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, and then find the median, that is the mid value, and then you can find out this Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. And like I said, Q1 means that is the lowest percentage. First quartile means lowest percentage of numbers, and second quartile means next lowest percentage of numbers, which is before median. Okay, so now you understood. Median is there, which is the mid value. So second quartile is, that is next lowest percentage, not the lowest one, smallest one, next lowest 25%, which is below median, up to median. Okay, next Q3, that is third quartile means that is the second highest 25% of number, which is above median, and the last quartile highest 25% of number. So this is theoretical portion, but when we'll be doing the problem, it will be easy for very easy for you to understand it. Okay, now why we have to understand what is quartile is because we are going to move into a new topic, that is quartile deviation. And quartile deviation is nothing but the difference between the first quartile and the second quartile in the frequency distribution, and it is divided by 2 also. Okay, so therefore it is known as interquartile range or quartile deviation. Okay, so that is basically quartile deviation. Now we are moving into next segment. That is why you have to know what is quartile. Now these are all the basic definition, and I'm sure that when we'll be doing the problem, these things are very simple. Now I have included some very small form. Before that, let's see what are the various characteristics of quartile deviation. As usual, it is very simple, it is easy to understand, and also easy to calculate quartile deviation. Okay, and this is also not affected by outliers, that is extreme values will not affect quartile deviation. And if some dissimilar distributions are provided, then the value of quartile deviation might be same, provided even the quartiles should also be same. Now, this is also not utilized in any kind of algebraic manipulation. Okay, so these are the various theory portions. Just go through it. It is just for your understanding, nothing much importance. If you want to skip also, no problem. Now, this comes the major thing: quartile deviation formula. Now here I have given a very simple formula, that is quartile deviation means Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, where we know that Q1 is lower quartile, Q3 is the highest upper quartile, and Q2, even Q2 is also there, which is known as the median, and that both divided by 2 will give you quartile deviation. Okay. Now another formula is also for ungrouped data. If ungrouped data is given, formula to calculate the quartiles are Q1 equal to n by 1 divided by 4 item. Okay, Q2 is n by 4, n plus 1 by 4. I said n by 4, right? It is n plus 1. So n plus 1 by 2th item. Q3 is 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. So n means total number of observations. See, all these things you will understand when we are doing the problem. So just don't worry. Next video will be covering the problems of quartile deviation. Then these things are very simple. Next, how to calculate quartile deviation for group data. QR. QR means whatever the quartile is. Okay, the quartile number that is given in the question. So QR is equal to L1 plus R into capital N by 4 minus C and divided by F into H. You can say H, which means L1 minus N2. Okay. This is same like median for group data that we calculated. So that also will be easy for you. Okay. So QR is the rth quartile, L1 is lower limit of the quartile class, L2 means upper limit. Okay. And F is the frequency of the quartile class, C is the cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class, and capital N is the number of observations in the given data set. Again, problems will be discussed, and this formula you will be able to understand much better when we'll be doing the problems in the next video. So stay tuned for more videos like this. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And for more any topics, please follow me on Instagram, and also DM me topics that you want to be discussed more. That is at Simple Learning Tips 2019. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.